Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Yield. Yield means amount produced of agricultural or industrial product. For example, the milk yield was poor. The milk yield was poor.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first example. It severely reduces agricultural yields and productivity. Now, repeat after me. It severely reduces agricultural yields and productivity. The second example. The significance of soil salinity for agricultural yields is enormous. Now, repeat after me. The significance of soil salinity for agricultural yields is enormous. The third example. Genetically engineered superplants are expected to boost agricultural yields significantly. Now, repeat after me. Genetically engineered superplants are expected to boost agricultural yields significantly.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The dot on top of I and J is called tittle. I didn't even know there was a word for it.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.